How to use the source and timeline viewer options in DaVinci Resolve 20. By default, the preview window inside the Edit section of DaVinci Resolve displays the media files that are currently on your project timeline, which you can also see particular stills for by relocating the red playhead on the timeline itself. If you select Source Clip from above the preview window itself, and drag your mouse cursor horizontally across each of the thumbnails of the media files that you have stored inside the master bin of your media pool, you can preview each of your inserted media files inside the preview window instead. You can modify the zoom setting above the preview window and manually drag the red playhead below the preview screen to preview the content of your source clip. This source clip option can also be automatically selected if you currently have the timeline option set by manually dragging the mouse cursor to the thumbnails of the relevant clips in your master bin and repositioning the mouse cursor horizontally to see different parts of your clip. And dragging the mouse cursor with the selection tool once again to the red playhead on the edit timeline will automatically shift the viewer setting from source clip to timeline. If I select the source tape option instead, we can see that all source clips currently stored in the master bin can be previewed on the window inside the Edit page. The order of the appearance of source clips in this preview window depends on how they are sorted. Note how the outdoor clip here appears before the blue emphasis mark clip. If we change the source media arrangement from ascending to descending, for example, the emphasis mark clip will now appear first before the outdoor clip due to the rearrangement by file clip name. Switching between source clip and timeline previews will enable video editors in DaVinci Resolve to inspect individual clips before implementing these inside their project timelines, as well as seeing how the overall project appears with multiple inserted media files. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.